we have a question that's coming up, actually, that plays right off of what Matt was just commenting on. One of the things that we wanted to talk about was the breadth of investment opportunities. And I think all of us find when we're out talking about this to investors who have not gotten involved in carbon solution investing, they tend to assume that the investment universe consists of renewable energy projects or renewable energy technologies, or maybe clean tech. And in fact, it's much wider. So you have a perfect example with Boston Common, which is driving down to make these investments in a variety of classes that relate to solutions, and then has a broader orientation, best-in-class style investment opportunities, where it's picking those folks who are most advanced in these categories. That's a very interesting combination from, we're talking now just about listed equity opportunities. We do something similar, but as I said, in a more narrow scope. We're investing in environmental solutions, so we're looking at renewables, of course, but energy efficiency across the spectrum of industrial, transport, power network, consumer. It's a very wide range of opportunities from an industrial perspective for energy efficiency opportunities. We're looking at the ability to get involved in recycling, which is almost always energy efficient, and resource recovery across the board. Virtually every sector of the water universe in which we invest quite actively has direct energy efficiency implications in addition to addressing larger water concerns. So there is even if you focus just on the solution sets, there is a very significant range of opportunity. And what that allows us to do is to shift our investments over time so that we can meet or beat performance of the broad general indices, against which all of us are measuring ourselves, because we can shift from a more aggressive to a more defensive investment position as the market moves through its cycles. And even our universe of a few hundred companies has enough breadth to allow our managers to do that. So I think it's important to recognize that you have several different opportunities and categories, directions in which you can go to make investments in this class. Anybody want to comment additionally on that? Matt?
No, I would agree with you. I think I think it's exciting today where we are thinking about. We were talking about how the industry has changed over the last 10 to 15 years, and certainly we see a lot more opportunities today than when we were looking at it 10, 15 years ago. That's exciting.